Ever felt like your TypeScript projects are moving at a snail's pace? Waiting for your editor to load or for your code to check can feel like watching paint dry? But guess what? That's about to change big time. Today, we're thrilled to announce the next giant leap for TypeScript, a native implementation that's going to blow your mind. Imagine your TypeScript projects running up to 10 times faster. Yes, you heard that right, 10x faster. Whether you're working on a small project or a massive codebase like VS Code, TypeScript's new native compiler is here to save the day. Load time slashed, build times crushed, memory usage cut in half. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. VS Code's project load time drops from 9.6 seconds to just 1.2 seconds. Playwright from 11 seconds to 1.1 seconds. And it's not just about speed. This new foundation opens the door to smarter tools, instant error checking, and AI-powered coding experiences asterisk that were once just a dream. Editors will feel snappier, refactoring will be a breeze, and you'll get instant feedback on your entire project. It's like giving your editor a shot of espresso. So, what's the plan? TypeScript 6 will keep things running smoothly with the current JavaScript-based codebase, but by mid-2025, we'll preview the native TypeScript 7.0 with full support for project builds and language services by the end of the year. Think of it as TypeScript on steroids. This isn't just about speed, it's about empowering you to build bigger, better, and faster. Whether you're a solo coder or part of a massive team, TypeScript 7 is going to change the way you work. So are you ready to supercharge your TypeScript experience? Stay tuned for updates and get ready to upgrade to TypeScript 7. The future of coding is faster than ever, and it's just around the corner. If you want repo for this, let me in comment repo. I will share you repo link, and let us know what you think about 10x faster TypeScript. If you like this video, subscribe and follow for more updates.